What's up YouTube? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay Nook's Top 5 na ang pamagat ay 5 Scary Ghost Videos That Will Haunt You. Oh, ano kaya itong mga scary ghost video na itong That Will Haunt You? Mga nakakatakot to So make sure you subscribe dito kay Nook's Top 5. Napakaganda ng mga video nito Ito yung OG ng mga top 5 compilation ghost videos. Saka syempre, mag-subscribe din kayo sa akin channel na Master Renz at paki-click na rin ng bell button para lagi tayo magkasama sa panonood. So, wag na natin patagalin to. Without further ado, let's go sa go!
Top 5 Ghosts Caught on Camera. Behind the scenes. With the increased popularity of social media and video sharing, it's only reasonable that sometimes unexpected things might occur while filming. But maybe not as unexpected as this. TikTok user Billy Golf was home alone, filming herself dancing to a song on TikTok. She got an unexpected and uninvited guest appearance.
Uy! May dumaan!
Did you see it?
Nakita ko. Ay! Mamma
Someone or
mia.
something dark and semi-transparent seems to run by the doorway behind her. But Billy was home all alone. So who or what is this? And this isn't the first time something weird has been caught in a TikTok background. User Jasmine Pham caught this.
Uy! May nakasilip. Oh! Napahinto siya
Someone seems to be peering at her through the window. She said she woke her parents after the incident, but they found no one outside. And the creepy TikTok videos go back even further.
Why do you build me up? Buttercup baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and then worst of all, you never call baby when...
This time, a strange white mist almost seems to
May
run
dumaan
from
nga,
the room.
Why do you build me up? Buttercup baby, Buttercup baby, just to let me down.
So maybe Snapchat is better.
Oh, meron pa.
Or
May
maybe
tumakbo.
Snapchat is not better. So were all these ghosts or maybe even intruders caught on camera? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. Under the stairs. YouTube user Evux says that his family owned a commercial building that in his words, quote, creeped him out. Shortly after they sold the place, the new owner said that he began to experience strange phenomena in the building. He sent the family a video that Evux says, quote, sent chills down my spine.
CCTV to Uy, Mamma mia.
Some bizarre transparent shape seems to appear on the stairs, jump over the banister, and then duck under the staircase as if to hide. Is it a ghost caught on camera, or just a trick of the light? You decide. Another door opens. Curtis Robinson says that he had heard strange noises in his new house for months, but had never managed to catch any of the bizarre sounds on film. So one night, he and his friend attempt to film a funny video of the Coke and Mentos challenge. It doesn't quite go as planned.
Right, do it again because I'm filming this time. No, go on. Go on, right, yeah. How many you got left?
There's only 2 left, so it's...
Right, well, yeah, just do 2 then.
yeah, this is, I'm gonna eat some Mentos and then drink, well, it's not Diet Coke, it's Pepsi Max, but there's only 2, so...
It's fizzy, it should work.
Anong trip yan? Ang alam ko, di ba, sasabog yung, di ba pag nilagay natin ang Mentos sa Coke, Di ba bubulayin yung, ano bang tawag din, nalimutan ko na. Basta, hindi, magaan yung coke nun pag nilagyan ng Mentos. Ano kayang trip nito? Ang lakas ng trip po.
You working?
Nah.
You should give it a bit. Give it a bit. What's it?
No.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
What?
Uy!
What's up?
Dude.
Oy!
What?
Look.
Gumala!
Look.
Uy!
Let me out.
Curtis, who is the one downing the Mentos and Coke, says that he had no idea that the door had opened on its own and didn't fully understand why his friend was running for the exit just because the ironing board fell over. Until he watched the creepy footage back later on.
What? What? What's up?
Dude.
What?
Dude.
What?
Look.
What?
Look. Look. Let me out.
Final steps. French YouTuber Jordan Perregaux hosts a series called Enquête Paranormale, where he travels around to allegedly haunted places all over France and conducts thorough paranormal investigations. In Season 4, Episode 1 of the series, his team catches some truly creepy footage at a haunted house in the French countryside.
Nous allons nous concentrer sur une seule caméra, la seule qui aura révélé quelque chose d'inhabituel et pour le moins troublant. Pour information, cela fait maintenant plus d'1h30 que nous sommes couchés.
Ano yun? Sa panga... Ay, meron nga. May black silhouette oh. May dumaan.
La caméra qui est située dans le grenier a filmé quelque chose d'incroyable. On peut y voir très distinctement une forme, une silhouette sombre qui semble descendre l'escalier. Le plus troublant, c'est que l'ombre semble apparaître d'un coup, derrière le poteau.
Jordan captures what appears to be an apparition or shadow figure descending the winding staircase. Now, if you speak a little French, you can check out Jordan's full investigation on his YouTube channel, Jordan Perregaux. Whispers. One night, Reddit user Vren let his 3-year-old daughter take her iPod video with her to bed. The next morning, he discovered a video recording on the device that chilled him to the bone.
We could even leg off.
Huh?
It sounds like his
Ano
daughter
yan?
is talking to some invisible person.
Ay!
And the little bit of the conversation that can be understood does not sound nice. This is what some Reddit posters thought the voice might be saying.
We
Ay!
could even leg off.
So, just what do you think the
Takot yun, bata yun oh. Bata yun yung pinupuntihin ng mga ganyan. Yun talaga yung malalapit eh, mostly. Mga bata talaga nilalapitan ng mga ganyang entity. Nakakatakot pa din, saka delikado yun oh.
whispering voice is saying? Let me know in the comments. Knock, knock. I included this next story as an extra because it's technically a ghost ARG, but it's one of my favorites and not many people know about it. So, over 12 years ago in early 2007, a YouTube account called Louise Paxton began posting videos. Everything started off simple and normal enough.
Hi guys, it's Louise. This is my first vlog. Okay, I'm gonna show you around. So that's my computer and where I'm gonna be sending you these messages. Yeah, my bed. Okay, so that's the front door. And we've got the fridge here. Check out my garden. That is mine. Isn't it ace?
Then one day, posts on Louise Paxton's vlog started getting very bizarre. She claimed that she had seen someone standing by her front door 2 nights in a row.
Hi, my name's Louise Paxton, and I'm making this videotape to record, document an event which first started 2 nights ago. It's Thursday night tonight, and on Tuesday night, an intruder came to my house. There was a man stood. I'll show you.
Ay, nako po, ang
A
dilim.
man stood at my doorway here, leaning against the pane of the window, and I rang the police. They said that they couldn't come unless he posed an immediate threat, and
Ba't di mo sinakata yung
they said to
pinto?
call again if it happened again, and then again on Wednesday night, last night, I heard the noise again. The same thing. He was there again, so I called the police again, and again they said that they couldn't do anything unless it was an immediate threat. So tonight, it's nearly 1 o'clock.
Pero kung tutuusin, di ba? Ewan ko lang kung sa kanila. Pero kapag mga ganun nga, may report. Alam ko, hindi. Paano ba pag ganun? Kailangan ba talaga may mangyari talaga na ano? Kasi base sa pagkakaintindi ko, teka, ulitin natin.
So tonight, it's nearly 1 o'clock now, and for the last 2 nights he's come at around 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna film.
Louise decided to try to catch the unwanted visitor on tape.
I'm gonna try to get some evidence on film. That's it.
And she did get her evidence.
He's
Ano
here.
yun?
Please, please. Patrick.
Dapat dyan, pwede na siyang tumawag uli ng pulis sa pagkakaalam ko. Na ganito, may bahay nilolooban siya. Diba? Kahit sabihin siguro ng pulis na as long as hindi naman daw parang sinasaktan ata o nilalapitan. Diba? Pero I think dapat kung nga ganun. Ewan ko lang sa kanila. Pero sa atin ang alam ko, pag mga ganyan, mostly ma-actionan ka agad Pwede puntahan ka agad ng officer. Ewan ko lang sa atin nga, alam ko. Pero sa kanila, iba ata yung batas nila
My phone's died. Oh, it's dead.
Takot na siya.
Can we see him?
Ang labo
Focus.
Ayun nga Kaya naman ba't iniiwanan mong bukas? Di ba? Napansin ko lang, ba't iniiwanan niyang bukas yung pintuan ng bahay niya? Di ba dapat nakalock din? Di ba? I think sa sinakyong to, may mali din siya
You can see me. You can see me. Oh God, I can't see his face.
Ayan
Pull the reeds.
Ay! Tapos pinuksan mo pa yung bahay mo?
Where is he?
No, dapat pag ganyan, hindi mo nabubuksan ang bahay mo. Ikaw, pansin ko siya yung pala may mali Dapat pag ganyan na-alarma siya, ilock niya yung bahay niya, di ba? Kung tayo nga, di ba, lalo na kung mag-isa tayo sa bahay, lagi natin nilalak double lock. Kung kailangan may pan-double lock pa eh. Para hindi tayo pasukin, di ba? Saka yung ganyan nga, trespassing na yun. Kung nasa doon siya sa bakuran niya. Tapos yun nga, kung nakikita nga niya, nandun na siya sa bakuran niya. Alarming na yun. Pwede nang, dapat doon pa lang, tumatawag na siya ng pulis ulit, di ba?
After that night, Louise set up a camera to record the area near her front door while she slept. And then things got really strange.
Ay nako, ano kayo mangyayari? Mama Mia.
The door slammed open.
Hoy! Ay, naku, walang ilaw. Ang dilim, nakakatakot yan.
I closed that door.
Uy, ako bukas ang... Ay, naku po. Hey! Uy! Takbo, takbo, takbo!
You can watch the rest of this creepy ghost tale over on the Louise Paxton YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. You can suggest...
Ito kaya yung last part na yun. Yung katakot din siya, nakakatakot din nga. Siyempre, natakot ako para sa kanya, lalo na't babae siya, di ba? Nag-iisa. Tapos yun nga, dapat nga, pag nga ganun nga, dapat tumawag na uli siya kagad ng police nun, ng authority, ng mga officer, patis, mapuntahan kagad siya sa bahay niya. So yun, subscribe kayo dito, kay Nooks Top 5. Napakaganda ng mga video nito eh. Saka syempre, mag-subscribe din kayo sa akin channel na Master Renz. At pa-click na rin po ang bell button para lagi tayong magkasama sa panonood. So thank you so much po sa pagsama and ingat po kayo palagi.